What is this bun? Like, what is this? Looks ridiculous. Hello. Welcome back. I literally just threw my hair up, so please excuse it. I am 3 days post-surgery. I felt decent enough to hop on camera and just do something with myself because I am meeting my husband for coffee. Well, it's at a brewery and they have lattes. So I'm gonna get myself a latte while he gets himself a beer. But I figured it would be a good time to film. I'm feeling good, still really sore. I am vlogging my journey. So that probably, will that be up before this? Either this will be up before that one or that one will be up before this one, not sure yet. So in today's video, I'm going to be using all makeup that I forgot about. I was going through my drawers and I'm like, yeah, I haven't used you, I forgot you existed, so on and so forth. So I have some oldies but goodies here that I forgot about. Oh my God, my dog just farted. Well, thank you so much, sir. Let's go ahead and hop in. My energy might not be the best today, so please forgive me, but I'm trying here, you guys. I'm really trying. So the first product I'm going to be using is the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot Primer. I used to use this all the time, and I will try not to repeat myself so much in this video because I feel like I could say the same things over and over and over again.
Oh my God, I used to use that all the time. Oh my God, that used to be my favorite. Oh my God, why did I stop using that?
So please forgive me if I repeat myself. But the one thing about this primer that I like is it not only helps with oil control, it also helps with your pores, like shrinking your pores, minimizing your pores, which will be right here for me. So I primarily use it in my T-zone to help with the oil, but I do like to put it on my cheeks too for my pores. This next product, dude, I feel like this would have been a holy grail, but foundations are just killing it these days. This is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better foundation. This has like skincare in it too. This is the shade, what shade are you? Fair Neutral. This is a good foundation, but yes, I have forgotten about it, so it has just been rotting away in my drawer. So I wanted to get it back out and give it a go. I forgot how thin the consistency is. Not that that's a bad thing, I just kind of forgot, which is why I'm doing this video. This shade looks a little dark. For me, looks like more yellow. Maybe not on camera, but in person it kind of looks more yellow. I'm usually a neutral tone, but this looks kind of yellow. I'm gonna try and make it work so I don't look like a crazy person going out in these streets. As it's thinning out though, it's looking really pretty on the skin. It's blending out very nicely. I love a good skin care moment with foundations. This concealer is so dirty on the outside of it. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Incognito Full Coverage Concealer. Oh wait, I want to use these two products first. The Milani Bronzer and Blush. I used to use these all the time. This is their cream blush and bronzers. The bronzer is in the shade Hey Honey and the blush is in the shade Coral Crush. I really liked these when I first tried them out, so I was like, I'm gonna get these out and give them a go since I've been more into like the cream bronzer, cream blush situation lately because of the Physicians Formula little duo that I just used, I think in my last video, or maybe it was 2 videos ago. Yeah, that has been my go-to bronzer blush combo lately. Oh my gosh, I love it so freaking much. When I was going through my makeup, I was like, okay, let's get the cream blush and contours out because that's been what we've been doing and I've really been liking it lately. And this is such a good cream blush for spring and summer since spring is basically sprung. I'm going to blush it up today. I mean, I always tend to blush it up, but we're gonna blush it. Ooh, it's warm in here. Whew. I'm getting warm. I'm gonna do more because I don't think, do I have any? Oh, I do have a powder blush, but I'm still gonna cream blush it up today. What's new? All right, now for that concealer. Oh, that's a good shade. Yeah, that's a good shade for me. I was a little nervous there for a minute. Oh, this is thicker than what I remember. Oh, we kind of put it on today. As that dries down a little bit, I'm gonna use the good old trusty Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. This is in the shade 5. Such a good drugstore powder. Drugstore powders, I'm getting it all over me. Drugstore powders have come a long way. This one is like OG. Like, you're not gonna go wrong with this powder. All right, I'm just gonna use some Milani Make It Last setting spray. I've been stuck on the, I forgot about that sprayer. I've been stuck on the Urban Decay Watermelon All-Nighter spray since that's come out. I mean, I don't even feel like I've used any other setting spray. So yeah, I literally forgot about the Make It Last. The Make It Last was always my go-to setting spray no matter what. So actually seeing that in my drawer, getting her out, I'm like, oh, today's gonna be a good day. Oh man, I forgot how good this concealer was. It's just enough coverage. Like, it definitely gives you more coverage than, say, like the new Revolution Skin Silk Concealer. This one definitely gives you more coverage, which is nice, but not like over the top. So it's not gonna like make it look crazy underneath of your eyes. Even though this powder is making it look crazy. Oh gosh, I hope I don't look chalky. I just took way too much of this powder. Okay, well, this might be a disaster. Oh God. I'm gonna have to make this work. Okay, bear with me. Let's trust the process. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. I'm gonna go ahead and set my whole face with this powder. I use enough under my eyes to set the whole damn face. I don't know why it's so hot in here, y'all, but I'm sweating. Whew. I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and kind of, let me see. Here we go. And just dust any extra powder off my face. We all remember the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is the travel size. And when I saw this, I just kind of laughed because this was such a staple, I feel like, in old school YouTube days. Everybody used the Benefit Hoola. It was like you weren't part of the cool crowd unless you had the Benefit Hoola bronzer. So I was like, oh, I have to use it because I also had the Fenty bronzers in my hand. But I was like, no, we gotta bust out the Benefit Hoola. This used to be one of my favorite blushes. This is the Laura Geller Baked in Brighten blush in Tropic Hues. It's like a highlighter blush in one, and it being a baked highlighter, it looks so pretty. It's not like a crazy pigmented blush, but that's what I like about it. So I honestly thought it'd be perfect for this look because I have the cream blush underneath, and then I could just take a little bit of this on top, and it can give me a really pretty, almost blurred highlight blush look. But yes, I used to wear this all the freaking time. It's so pretty. And if you don't want to wear highlight, you don't have to wear highlight. It's awesome. But I want a lot of blush today. I just do. Ah, so pretty. I busted out two oldies but goodies here when it comes to highlighter. This is the Milk Makeup cream highlighter in Lit. I've been really into cream highlighters lately. I have been using the, I think it's L'Oreal Le Glace cream highlighter. You guys have seen me use it. It just makes everything look so much more natural. I just forget how this looks over powder, so I'm a little scared. I'm gonna give it a shot. But I also grabbed the Ofra Beverly Hills highlighter. This was also very popular back in the day. These are all expired AF. But I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this milk and just see what's going on here. Oh yeah, it's so pretty. I'm gonna take some of the milk on a brush and just kind of tap and see what happens here. Okay, it's going on pretty. All right, I just want to make sure it's not like lifting anything. No, it's going on so pretty. That's what I was scared about. Can you even see it on camera? I hope you can. It's not as crazy good as the new L'Oreal one, but it's still super pretty. Oh, that is super pretty. I didn't know if that was gonna show up on camera or not, and it's not lifting any product, which is good. But I've really been into the cream highlighters. Gosh, I couldn't think. I've really been into these kind of highlighters lately. They're so good. So yeah, I might not even use the Beverly Hills highlighter because this looks so pretty. Now back in for the Milani setting spray. Oh, I backed it up this time because that first time I sprayed was a little intense. Ooh, my hair is all drenched now. While this is drying, I had brought this up in another video about, it was in like my Amazon 30 products women need or something like that. And when I talked about eyebrows, I talked about brow mascaras. And then I thought about this. This is the NYX Thickening Brow Mascara. So I got this out and I used it the other day and it worked so good, especially when I was kind of going for a more minimal, not so crazy look, which is kind of what I'm going for now. I don't have a spoolie, so I just want to kind of comb my hairs up here, even though technically I guess I could do that with this product, but oh well. This is in the shade Auburn, and it just gives you like, I don't know, fills in your brows super easy, makes them look thicker, and it's just nice. I feel like it's very user friendly and makes your brows look much more natural. So if you're not into like perfection when it comes to your brows, I think you'd really like this product. And look at that. That brow is already done. Like, I don't feel like I need to do much more with that brow. But that's it. That's all I need to do, and boom, it's done. Takes no time. I hate doing my brows because it's such a long, tedious process, and because I'm a perfectionist. But yeah, I totally forgot about it, and it's an awesome product. I actually think I need a new one because that one's kind of running a little dry, but you know, they're not perfect, but they look very natural, which is what I like. I'm gonna throw on some mascara. I only use one kind of mascara, I'm not gonna lie to you. Just my good old Essence waterproof mascara. Look at these little baby hairs going nuts up here. Oh my goodness. I got my mascara under my eye. I gotta let it dry. Then it should come right off. Okay, I feel like I've talked a mile a minute. I am so sorry. Whew, and I'm still burning up. I have no idea what this is. I just found it in my drawer. It's the Cystic Mini Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Florence Fig. And it looks like a pretty pinky shade. I figured, you know what? Let's go a little pretty pinky. Oh yeah, this is nice. Definitely forgot about this because I have no idea where this even came from. And then I saw this. This is the Gerard Cosmetics lip gloss. This is in the shade Buttercream. Has a little mirror on it. Do you remember Gerard Cosmetics back in the day? Oh my goodness. I was like, oh yeah, we forgot about them for sure, because I don't even remember last time I heard anybody speak about Gerard Cosmetics. But they were really popular back in the day too, but it's a pretty lip gloss. All right, I'm gonna have to do something with my hair, but here is the final look. I need to get this little mascara out from underneath my eye. There we go. Thank you. You're no longer welcome. I need some brow glue to get these baby hairs down. It is a pretty simple, beautiful look. I still think the foundation is oxidized or It's just a little dark, but you know, I could make it work. But all the products have worked really well together. I feel super pretty put together without being over the top. What do you guys think? I feel like I did my makeup super quick today. This is the perfect look for me. This is like a 3-day after surgery look. I feel put together without being over the top, and got this look done within like, I don't know, 20 minutes. And it looks super pretty. I know some of you have got to own some of these products. If you've been like an OG makeup junkie, there's no way you don't have at least a couple of these products, because they were so popular back in the day. And we all wanted to look like the cool YouTubers back then, didn't we? Did we? I don't know. I did. I wanted to look like all of them. But I forgot how good this Milk Makeup highlighter is. That's about to stay out and up in my vanity drawer, because this is such a good product. All right, that about wraps up this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Sorry if I talked 1,000 miles a minute. I'm still burning up. I need to like go stand outside and in the cold, but oh, it's 45 degrees. It is spring. In Ohio, this is like you hang outside weather. That's what I'm about to do. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.